Mabili amabhasi ayebuya eBotswana ahlolwa khathi edlula emngceleni waseStockport ngoLwesine, elinye lalinabantu abangamashumi amathathu nesishiyagalolunye.
Admission was done at Stockport border post, wherein the bus that perished at Mmamatlakala bridge passed through our border here at Stockport between South Africa and Botswana. They arrived on the bus. We requested as proper procedures, requested the passenger manifesto, which they handed over to us with all the passengers that we processed. All the passengers were having traveling documents that allow us to administer them into the country. From there, the bus proceeds to Moria to attend the check services.
Ngosuku lwengozi lomngcele wawumatasa kakhulu.
We also have some 7 taxis that cross through also to go and attend, and also families' cars who cross through to go and attend the check services. Those are normal processes that happen during Easter, wherein lots of buses cross through our border due to the congested and problems being border post.
Amaphepha athathwa yizisebenzi zasemngceleni iwona alekelela kakhulu ekuhlonzeni ibhasi okuyilona elalibandakanyeka engozini kanye nezisulu zengozi.
When they arrive, we put them on one line to one place. So we get the information from cross-border when they give us what they call the number plate for the registration number for the bus that perished, because we were not knowing which buses were involved in the accident. From there, we go to our passengers list, then we confirm that is the bus that passed through us here, together with the number plate. Then we hand over the documents to our own seniors.
Kulengozi kwasinda intombazanyana eneminyaka eyisishiyagalombili. Le ntombazanyana iyelulama esibhedlela sase Mokopane kanti ihlangane nonina khona esibhedlela izolo. Ezindabeni zethu kumzansi wethu channel 163 ngingunqobile Madlala ngibika ngisemngceleni eGroblersbridge ophakathi kweningizimu Afrika neBotswana.